Welcome to my channel, Torque Mythz. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest, most refined, and surprisingly aggressive Grand Tourers on the market today. The BMW 8 Series S, wrapped in a stealthy, matte black finish that turns heads before the engine even starts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dive reviews, high-performance insights, and full cinematic visuals from the world of elite machines. Let's get started. This car doesn't just turn heads, it commands silence. You see it once, and you remember it. The silhouette is sleek but wide, muscular but elegant. BMW didn't just design this for comfort or looks, they shaped it to conquer. The matte black finish absorbs light, erasing reflections, leaving only the curves and edges to define its shape. From the twin kidney grills up front to the sharp LED laser lights, it announces itself without ever saying a word. The low-slung profile, frameless windows, and broad shoulders give it an almost supercar-like presence. And yet, it's wrapped in class. The kind of car you could pull up to a red carpet in or disappear into the night with. But make no mistake, this isn't just a visual masterpiece. The BMW 8 Series S is every bit a performance weapon. Pop the hood, and you'll find a twin-turbocharged 4.4L V8 engine, a beast tuned for brutal acceleration and smooth delivery. Over 500 horsepower, seamless torque, and a transmission that shifts faster than thought. 0 to 60 in just a few heartbeats. And it does it without screaming. It just launches, precise, surgical, and controlled. That's the difference here. Other cars shout. The 8 Series S whispers with power. It's not about chaos, it's about confidence. Take it out on the open road, and you'll feel the duality. In comfort mode, it glides like a luxury yacht. The suspension adapts, the steering relaxes, and the cabin feels like a 5-star suite. But switch to Sport or Sport Plus, and it wakes up. The exhaust note deepens, the throttle sharpens, and it starts to growl. Push it into corners, and the body stays flat, planted, unwavering. This is no heavy cruiser. This is a grand tourer with the reflexes of a street fighter. And yes, it drifts. It doesn't just hang the tail out, it lets you control the angle like a sculptor shaping clay. The rear wheel drive platform, combined with a finely tuned chassis and launch control, makes this car as playful as it is precise. Smoke, screech, sideways, but always under control. BMW engineering is like a scalpel, deadly in the right hands. But let's step back for a moment, because the performance is only half the story. Let's talk about the interior. This is where luxury and technology collide. You're surrounded by premium merino leather, polished glass iDrive controls, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that responds as intuitively as your instincts. The seats are heated, cooled, and contoured to hold you tight at 200 km/h, or cradle you gently in city traffic. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin in customizable colors, giving every drive its own mood. Whether you're blasting through mountain roads or cruising late-night city streets, the inside feels like your own personal cockpit. The Harman Kardon sound system brings your playlist to life. But honestly, most drivers won't even turn it on, because the only soundtrack they need is the deep, thunderous rumble of that V8. Now here's where it gets interesting. BMW has always been known for performance, but muscle? Oh yes, BMW's history is lined with machines like the M5, the M6, and of course the legendary M8. These were European muscle cars in every sense, but with refinement. Where American muscle throws a punch, German muscle delivers a calculated strike. The 8 Series S is the spiritual successor to all of them, and then some. This is the modern expression of power, control, and style. It's not loud for no reason. It's not flashy for attention. It exists in its own lane, and that lane is always the fastest one. So the next time someone tells you that muscle cars are just loud, brash slabs of metal with no manners, show them this. Show them the matte black BMW 8 Series S. Show them how grace and power can live in the same body. How a grand tourer can drift like a burnout king and cruise like a private jet. This car doesn't ask for respect. It takes it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What do you want us to review next? The Hellcat, the Charger EV, or something completely wild? Don't forget to subscribe to Torque Mythz for more high-octane content, cinematic visuals, and honest car reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud.